I can't handle that I'm finally making this video. I have chills. I actually just got chills. Let me see. So the word is out. I am doing my 4th collaboration with Misguided, and I am so excited for this collection. I don't know what's been in the water this past year, but I have definitely found my way back home in so many different aspects of my life, and now getting to collaborate with a brand that truly feels like home to me is a dream come true. And like I said, this is my 4th collection, which is absolutely crazy. Before I sat down to film this today, well, I'm standing, I didn't sit down. I actually rewatched all of my other launch collection videos, and it was so surreal because I was in such different stages of my life for each of those collaborations, so it was so cool to like bring me back. All I have to say is my eyebrows from 2 collections ago, like why did nobody tell me? Like what the actual? Anyway, I am so excited to show you guys my entire collection. This is my summer collection right behind me. We worked so hard on this together, and it has been a dream come true to be able to do another collection for you guys. Fashion has always been an obsession of mine, so to be able to create a summer collection with one of my favorite brands just is so full circle for me. So I'm going to try to keep my talking to a minimum as usual because you know I like to ramble, and I'm going to show you all 60 something pieces in my collection. I hope you guys are excited because I'm so freaking excited. There's some amazing pieces, and I cannot wait to see all of you guys rocking them this summer. Let's first start off with the dress that I'm wearing. I absolutely die over it. Little teardrop gems hanging all over it. It is a maxi dress. I'll show you guys the full picture right here. This is one of my favorites from the collection. So when we were putting together different inspo pieces and just different pieces that we were inspired by, I found that polka dots were just in so many of my pictures. Like I just have an obsession with polka dots. So there's gonna be quite a few polka dots. And the first top that I have is this corset halter, which I'm in love with. We gotta start here. Okay, sorry. Before we get into the polka dot shirt, which I'm going to show you, these capris were inspired from the night that I bumped into Brett for the first time in years. I was wearing a very similar pair of capris. When we were doing our design calls, I was like, I need a pair that looks similar to the ones that I wore that night because it just makes sense. Now we're engaged. You know, that outfit that I wore that night definitely did its job. So I thought how fun would be to have a pair of capris called the Brett Capri. And then after we decided we were gonna name it the Brett Capri, I realized his last name's Caprioni. Isn't that funny? So these are the Brett Capris. I'm so obsessed with them. They pair perfectly with the top that I was just showing. A lot of the pieces are mix and match, which I absolutely love. So for the photo shoot, I did style the capris with a few different tops, but I absolutely love this halter top. Next up is a 2-piece set. They're these adorable polka dot shorts with a matching tube top. I'm also obsessed with matching separates. Some things will never change. I feel like I am always in matching separates. It's just so much easier than having to style a full outfit. I styled these 2 different ways, so I want to show you guys both pictures. So when we were creating this collection, I was like, we need to throw in cute jammies because I live in pajamas, and who doesn't love a cute matching pajama set? We had to continue our polka dot theme. We have a cute cami with the matching shorts, and I've been living in these. They're so comfy and cute. I'm probably gonna say this for every piece, but this is another favorite of mine, this polka dot maxi dress. And I actually have a trip planned to Italy next week, and this is definitely coming with. This shirt, like, do we die over it? It's absolutely adorable. I love the sleeves. I love the pearl button details. More polka dots. So again, another 2-piece set with this beautiful flowy ruffle maxi skirt. It's like a high-low skirt. I would pair these together because I absolutely love it together, but you can also just wear the top alone with like a pair of denim shorts, which I love. Next up, we have a simple off-the-shoulder white top with the little keyhole detail. Super simple and beautiful. You can wear this day or night with basically anything. I love the rose details on this one and the flowy shorts. The shorts are obviously better for pajamas, but the top I would totally wear as a shirt alone, not just for pajamas. Next up, we have a corset top. You guys know me and you know how obsessed I am with corsets. This 2-piece is what dreams are made of. I actually wore this out to dinner the other night with Brett, and I got so many compliments, and it was so cool. Like, it's been so long since my last collaboration that it's so fun to wear something out and someone would be like, oh my god, I love your outfit, where'd you get it? And I'm like, I got to design it, and then it's coming soon. So it's just a dream come true, and now that I'm in my bridal era, this is like the perfect outfit. So next we have this white t-shirt with the corset top. I absolutely love this. I would say it's pajamas, but you can also wear it out depending on how you're feeling. It's this little mini dress with the lace detail and then the little sweater over it. It depends on the mood and how you're feeling, but I would wear this out. So next up we have this gorgeous lace maxi dress. I wanted to point out that it is completely sheer. You can wear this as a cover up over a bathing suit, or you can wear whatever you're comfortable wearing. So you could do like a high waist pair of nude full underwear with like pasties. You can do a slip dress underneath. It's whatever you're comfortable with. I was having myself a little bridal moment for the shoot. I can't believe I'm gonna be a bride. Like, it's still like not processed in my head that this is all really happening. I've been so busy and focused on so many things that I really have not even done much wedding planning yet, but we're on it. Oh, this next dress, when I first saw it in person, I was like, I am in love. Like, I want it in every color. And if this stuff sells really well, we'll be releasing new colors, so fingers crossed. It's like this velvet material with these bell sleeves. So in the same print, we did a mini skirt with the beaded bottom. Look at this. It just makes you want to dance. I paired it with this gorgeous green lace-up corset, which is also one of my top favorites in the collection. I love the lace-up details. I feel like it's giving that pink corset-y long sleeve velvet dress. Do you guys remember from my second collection with all of the like lace-up details? And then the satin. You guys remember the satin bomber and the satin slip dresses? And it's crazy because seriously, I have everything from all my previous collabs and I feel like everything is still in style. This next piece is what dreams are made of. It's this long ruffled top with it's a regular top in the front and then it's long in the back. And when I wear it, I just feel like a fairy princess. It just like flows behind you so beautifully. I love all the ruffles. I love the sleeves. I said when I put it on, it reminds me of Britney Spears in Crossroads with that gorgeous top. So this one's for little Carly that always wanted to be Britney Spears from that movie. This next two-piece is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like it screams bridal. So classy and beautiful. I love the loose sleeves with the lace detail. It's like an ivory satin and the matching skirt. This next top is gorgeous. It's like a chiffon top with the lace bottom. And it does no justice on the hanger, but once you put it on, it is amazing. I feel like I'd wear cowboy boots with this. I could wear heels with this. Oh, this next dress. It's so stunning. It's an ivory, lacy, ruffled gown. I feel like I'm gonna wear this for something this year because, like I said, I have a lot of bridal things ahead of me. This next two-piece is stunning. It's so classy and gorgeous. Okay, this really is another one of my top favorites. The yellow butter lemon top with the matching skirt. I feel like it's giving Cher. This next top, again with the sleeves, like, can you tell I have a thing for these types of sleeves? I die over this dress. It's a maxi dress, corset top with the lace-up back, off the shoulder. So many different ways that you could wear this. I could wear it to like a bridal shower or a baby shower or out to dinner. There's so many different options. I feel like you could totally wear this to a wedding as a wedding guest. And it's so flowy and gorgeous. When you walk, it just like flows in the wind. I'm trying to breeze through this because you guys know I'm just like a chatty Cathy. But this one, listen to it. Oh, I love this one so much. It's your birthday, like this is what you want to wear. I promise you, you're gonna get so many compliments in this one. This shirt, same type of vibe as the last piece, like it makes this amazing noise. This one I can also see myself wearing in Nashville with like a pair of cowboy boots and denim shorts. So excited because we got to do some bathing suits as well as outfits and pajamas. This one is literally, if I were a bathing suit, it would be this. It's the fringy brown with the matching fringe bottom, and then we also did a cover up that looks amazing with it. Come on now, this is so good. So we have the bikini with the matching shirt as a cover up. Obviously we could just wear the shirt as a shirt, but it looks so cute to wear over with the bikini. We did a couple satin bombers because we had to show homage to our previous collaborations where we did those satin bombers that went completely viral and sold out so quickly. Brown with the blue lace though, like, too good. So next up we have this tankini. Now as a mom though, I feel like this is adorable. You can even wear this as a shirt if you want. It fits so beautifully. I have this adorable cover-up skirt that actually goes with a lot of the different bikinis. This one is another favorite of mine. It's a two-piece set. Love the ruche detail. It has the eyelet front and then the matching skirt. This shirt I would wear all year round, and you can wear it with so many different things also, and I just love the color. This is my favorite bathing suit I think I own at the moment. This color, this is literally the color of my Beauty Bybel collection, and it has sequins all over it. It's so gorgeous. Okay, this one I literally die over. We have another pair of shorts with the lace bottom and the matching bomber jacket. We did a lot of like the high necks because I feel like they're super popular right now. So it just keeps getting better. So dramatic, sorry. But really, this dress, I put it on and I felt like a Greek goddess in this dress. The sleeves are like twisted. The color though, it's really all about the color. It's like this pale, pale baby blue. I thought to myself, if I got pregnant with a boy again, this would be my baby shower dress or my gender reveal dress or something because it's so beautiful. But maybe we need to make it in pink because obviously I'm not pregnant yet, but when I am, maybe we gotta make this dress in pink for me because I'm gonna have a girl now, so I can feel it. Speaking of pink, right next to that dress, we have this gorgeous sequin midi skirt that I absolutely love. You can wear low waist or high waist. Right, we got some more pajamas. I love wide leg pajamas. I live in them. And then we have another pajama set that I am obsessed with. I love the baggy top with the little like mini shorts for underneath. This set I actually die over. I feel like it's definitely like a pajama-y set, but I feel like I would also wear this out. Next we have the shirt version of that beige dress that I showed you. It's a corset bottom with the slouchy top. This was one of my favorites as well. A red mini dress with the matching cardigan. I actually wore this in a recent video and I had so many people asking where my outfit was from, and I was like, in that same fabric we did capris with the bralette and the long jacket with like the bell, it has a little bit of a bell sleeve. I'm saving it for when we go away in 2 weeks because I know this is the perfect daytime look. You can wear this day or night and it's just so beautiful. I want this in every color. Oh, this next dress is such a statement piece. It fits like a glove. I absolutely love the knot detail of it. I feel like you can wear this so many places. Next up we have these adorable jammies. They're like a little romper with the rose details. This next bathing suit cover-up headscarf is next level. Polka dots with the rose detail like just brings the entire collection together. We had to pay homage to our Satin Bomber days. I feel like by adding that high neck, it makes it more current, but still, you know, is bringing back 2016 vibes. Although I feel like it was before 2016. I absolutely love these. I wore this the other night with the polka dot capris, which looked so adorable together. It has the lace detail at the bottom, the tie waist, so that way it cinches the waist. You could wear it with the matching shorts I just showed you, or we also made a satin skirt with the lace detail and we added the rose onto it. So next up we just have this plain black t-shirt that comes with a corset, which I absolutely love. Just super simple and easy, good for day to night. Just like a staple piece that everyone should have in their wardrobe. This is also very similar to what I wore the night that I bumped into Brett. There's endless options on how you can mix and match all these pieces. Next up we have another polka dot look, a mini skirt with this adorable halter and then the necktie, which I love. Next up is this adorable workout set, or just like casual activewear set. It has the lace details, which makes it a little sexy, but super different than anything I've seen. It also include a pair of just plain black capris. I don't know why they didn't end up back on my rack. I have to go find them. This next two piece I am obsessed with. Capris have made such a huge comeback, which I absolutely love because growing up I wore them all the time. And last but not least, I have this lace. I would say that this is more so like lingerie at home style, but you can wear it out. It is sheer, so use your judgment here. I mean, I would wear it with like a longer jacket as long as my butt was covered. I'd wear it out still, and I'm 35. You could wear this with like the black bomber. You could wear this to sleep if you're feeling frisky. I just love leopard though, and we had to include it. Mark your calendars. Thursday, June 5th, we are launching. I will have all the details on timing. I hope you guys are excited. I cannot wait to see all of you guys wearing my collection. This has been a long time coming, and I'm just so excited to be working with Missguided again. They are seriously a dream team, and I'm just so honored to be doing another collection with them. I'm so obsessed with all my pieces. Thank you guys so much, as always, for your love and support through all the years. I would not be where I am without you, and all of the love and support never goes unnoticed. I hope you know that. I love you guys so, so, so much. I can't wait to see all of you guys in my collection, and until next time,